In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten Google Forms link. If you've ever tried to share a form and ended up with a long, clunky URL, this quick method will give you a clean, professional link that's easier to paste into emails, chats, or social posts. Start by opening your Google form. Head to Google Forms in your browser and select the form you want to share. Make sure you are looking at the editor view, not just a preview, so you can access all the sharing options. At the top right corner of the form editor, click the Send button. It's easy to spot and opens a panel with several ways to share your form. This is where you control exactly how the link is delivered to your audience. Inside the Send panel, switch to the Link option by clicking the icon that looks like a chain or hyperlink. You'll notice there are other tabs here, like sending by email or embedding the form on a website, but for a simple shareable link, the chain icon is the one you want. You'll see a long URL displayed right beneath it. Check the box labeled Shorten URL. Instantly, Google will convert that lengthy address into a neat, compact link, often starting with Forms GLL. This shortened link goes to the exact same form and is safe to use. It's just cleaner and more convenient to share. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry, the option is usually right under the link field in the Send panel. Once you've shortened it, click the Copy button to place the link on your clipboard. You can now paste it wherever you need it. In an email, a messaging app, a document, or on social media. On most devices, you can paste using the standard keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. A quick tip before you send it out widely: paste the link into a new browser tab to confirm it opens your form correctly. If you are sharing beyond your organization, be aware that some forms may require sign-in, depending on your settings. So your recipients might need to be logged in to respond. That's all there is to it. Open your form, click Send. Choose the link icon, tick Shorten URL, and copy the new link. With just a few clicks, you've made your form easier to share and more user-friendly for your audience. If you found this helpful, go ahead and use your new link to start collecting responses right away. Thanks for watching.